right. Thank you for calling Silver Script.
Suck your mother. Ready for one hour now we ramp with me and see me now flush on the face pussy. Big up suck your mama. Go suck your mama. Gun them big in your mama. Go suck your mama. We ready for run down your blood clot and gunshot you in this. And that me I tell you you're pussy. We ready for yam up your blood clot. We done me gun in your face.
So what you plan on doing for the rest of the day?
Nothing really. I know Young started doing a cookout, so I might go over there.
Please tell me who shit in our toilet and don't.
Yeah, my bad. But what you call it? Yeah, so it started.
And I bet say it even wipe your body to bum.
It knew me, you toxic, I don't need that shit. You had said you love the kid and I believe that shit. How you gon' apologize and then repeat that shit? Bitch, that's just proof that you ain't mean that shit. Word, feel away, ay, that makes you feel away.
Oh, so that's how you feel?
Hey, you better act right before I make you feel away. I'm joking. I'm joking.
I'm gonna feel away? You meant like how you felt away last night when your penis wouldn't stand up?
So how were you?
Because I definitely didn't feel anything last night. Or you mean I'm gonna feel away like how you felt away when you couldn't afford a lawyer to fight your PPP loan fraud case? Your 15 years starts on Monday, right? Just don't use the same lawyer your mom used for her immigration case. She did get deported, right? I know she feels away. She's still selling Guinness, right? Oh no, actually, I'm getting it all wrong. You mean feel away like how you feel away when you find out I fucked your best friend after Taboo last night.
Wait, what?
Yup!
Yo, Instagram is always fucking up, bro. Yeah. This guy. Well, I got my GOA I did. Now I'm chilling coming from work. What you doing on this side? So I'm just a promote for Flirt Wednesdays at Taboo. Worse, I need no birthday, so say I'm mad something. Alright, cool. Just send me the info, but I gotta run. Yo, be safe, my man. Me blood clean. Brother, what you just do? You just call me a man? No, sir. Yo, Mark. Yo. He just say he want me to be his boyfriend to Bumbuckler.
Dirty boy, that man.
Can't say shit around you Jamaicans.
No, hear me, I say no crab salad. Market price salmon patty. Listen to me now, my youth. A woman alone may give relationship. So no bother with that Captain Fish.
Captain Hook.
Poseidon.
Aquaman.
Listen to me, man of sea. Me and you are man. Unless you lose your memory. Dory.
Stuffed crab back.
Sea sponge.
We
You need a weed.
When she cute, but her laugh is ugly.
Uncle, I can't read. I love these. Monogamy. Monogamy. Motorcycle. Freaking. What is that?
I used to be miserable. Push my friends away. Back my fist. No one wanted to be around me until I started to take Pum Pum Holofene. Now I'm back to my regular self and I'm happier than I've ever been. Ever since I started taking Pum Pum Holofene. And now I can get back to doing things that I enjoy doing. Like sitting back and relaxing and drinking some of my favorite Rum Island Punch. Side effects include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, hair loss, family loss, job loss, sperm loss, eyesight loss, suicidal thoughts, cancer, cardiac arrest, resisting arrest, felony conviction, addiction, 100% chance of death, parents will die, siblings will die, you will die, and go to hell. Contact your doctor to see if Pum Pum Holofene is right for you.
Yeah, girl. Yeah. Tipping in. Start out boy right. Who take up my drink, man? Yeah, I need to pass to my door for you.
Okay, everybody, I know that it's been sold out for a while, but I do have good news. The female choker is now available for purchase once again. Okay, this can be yours for 4 easy payments of $49.99. Okay, as you can see, it's in good condition and it works properly. People. You understand? Okay, you won't regret it. Just DM me for purchasing.
Yo, that's the same thing I was saying, yo. That's that same shit I was saying.
Yo, you see you? How much pussy bumper ass clot time you have to tell you no cause the bumper blood clot bad word in my house? Eh? How much time I tell you say no blood clot bad word for going at this a bumper ass clot house? Me don't know where you get it from. Me don't know who bumper pussy ass clot make you feel like it's alright for cause fucking bad word in at this bumper blood clot house. But me I tell you right now say, nah, go on. Fix up, you know. You understand? Else me and your bumper blood clot. You understand me pussy hole? Eh? Me don't want to hear no more bumper blood clot bad word in at this bumper clot house, but you want to say shit. Bullshit. You fucking bright in a bumper blood clot and I make me have a pussy clot, ras clot, come back in here, say. You understand, mama bumper blood clot? Bright in a bumper clot because you don't hear me and your mother talk them bumper clot bad word in the house. You don't hear me talk like that yet you want in your pussy clot room and talk like bullshit. Bullshit. Bright in a bumper clot.
When they don't know when to stop recording.
All y'all going ahead. What? You right there. Hell. You. Hell. You. Hell. Yeah, I said it.
Who are you to tell me where I'm going?
Who am I? No, my son, who are you? You are a sinner.
This is a wake-up call for some of the girl them. Some of the girl them feel like if them have tight pum-pum, that means say them have good pum-pum.
They don't.
Some of the girl them feel like if them have the wettest pum-pum, that means say them have the greatest pum-pum. But me I tell her right now, say your pum-pum could have tight and wet. If your pum-pum silent, then me no want it. Some of the girl them embarrassed when them pum-pum make nice, but me I tell her say if your pum-pum don't make nice, me no want it. Last night me and a girl had sex. And me turn around for her backers and her pum pum start sing. Here I know, oh my God, I don't know why it does that, I'm so embarrassed. Me say what? Me look at her and say encore. Mark, when we are fuck for a girl them, all them pum pum for sound. Bam bam bam.
All of them a dead boy, but I rise up in Taurus. Me send for the whole of my best back. Anyway, me hold them boy, I get to attack. But yo, my tough, I can watch it out of me for show. Man, the pussy, I wanna do.
Yo bro, where you at?
Yeah, I'm at the mall right now trying to get ready for that party on September 6th. You know, Mayhem, the Sunshine Festival, the water party.
Oh, okay, I heard about that party. It's supposed to be lit. Oh, so you looking for an outfit?
Yeah, I'm on the party, I got mad. But yeah, I'm looking for like some shorts and stuff, because you know when I get to the party, I'm going to get wet as fuck.
Bumbo clout, brother, what you just say? You just say you're going to get wet as fuck? No, sir. Yo, Mark.
Yo.
How the
Yeah, the man just say.
What?
Man say him have good pum-pum to bumbo clout.
How does that make any sense? That's what you heard?
Dirty boy that man.
Yeah, man, dirty boy that man, boy. Him have white liver. Nastiness.
That makes no
sense. No, yeah, me I say no Indian fish. Me want to hear about the party. Me don't care what one in your panty. Squid.
Sandy.
Hammerhead.
Nurse Shark.
Just dirty.
This is unheard of.
And I made him at the most, and that's the way I go. Me don't want to hear nothing about your pum-pum and jump no more. Yeah. Alright, now come off of my phone, mate. Oh yeah, send me some pass. Pass.
Watch the alligator. There's an alligator right there. What? Oh my God. Alligator! Oh, run! Oh.
Pussy holes. Why not do that? You know say how long me I hunt them raccoon there and nothing better for do than for come in a swamp and inform pan my dinner. Me now Uber Eats like I own you know. Me can't go in a restaurant and order about food like I own me have to hunt my food you know. So you know what I got me now? Give me find a pitney and give me now. One hour give me on the foot now. Pussy clot. Suck your mother. Hey, man dead for hungry in my youth and me I hunt them food there for how long you know right now and give me sitting now. Right now. Give me one foot or something. Right now.
Hello, yeah. I'd like to order a large fried chicken with white rice and curry gravy, and a little extra curry gravy as well. A steamed fish. And yeah, that'll be it, and that'll be for pickup. So I'm gonna come in. I'm gonna come and get it in about 20 minutes or so.
One family, yeah, did. Alright, so I want order one large fowl with white rice and put some curry gravy upon it. You see me I say, only put curry gravy too, you know, because I think no lily. You see me I say, I'm want order one steam swimmers in man. Yo, Mark, why if you don't still, you know, call Mark for me still, but yeah, that I want with some white rice and some bun. You see me I say, and I pick up me a call for you know, so I come here, come get it later. You see me, so I tell him, you get all of that? Yeah? Yeah, man. Soon come down there, man.
Don't mind my hair, but I'm about to show y'all how to cut plantain like a Jamaican. Ready? Showing it right now.
Ain't no fucking way, boy. Boy, ain't no 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 way, boy.
Hello, how are you doing?
Welcome to Auto Parts. How may I help you?
My husband and I just broke down. We need a battery.
No. Wait, hold on. What you say? You don't want a battery?
Yeah?
Your nastiness. Yo, Mark! Yo! Hear what she just say? What? Say she want with she and her husband to bumbo clot. Dirty girl, that man.
I never said that.
No, hear what me I say, no fisher woman. You can get battery, but your husband have to go next door to juicy crab. Lobster tail. Swedish fish.
I never said that. I'm gonna call my husband right now.
No, listen to me, no Tom Cod. Don't make me have to call the Coast Guard come pick up you and your merman. Float away, man, Torre. Barnacle boy. Blueback. Goatfish. Fish man. Milk fish.
I'll never shop here again.
Alright, Lilo and fish. Have a good day, Ursula.
When you think it's the next DJ's intro. But it's Jesus coming back.
You know, I had the honor of playing Kobe Bryant one time and come to Jamaica for an international league. And I remember when he walked into the court and everybody else had chew gum and him had chew 2 scotch bonnet pepper. Right then and there, so I know say, yo, it's a different kind of bread of this, you know. And I me, I forgot him. So I remember before the game started, him walk to me and him say, yo, suck your mother. I gotta score 800 points. I'm gonna say in a Jamaica dollar or USD because there's no way you're gonna score that in this game. So by the 4th quarter now, I go to Bam now and him have 799. So I'm there at the 3-point, I'm run up and jump for the shot. Him lay down and shoot the shot, and then before the shot go in, him walk, leave the gym. So when me reach home that night there, I realized him they leave early for go breed my wife. You see me? So then him give me a jacket. But that's the kind of guy that Kobe was. You know what I'm saying? It was an honor. Like him a different smarty man, I tell you now. Bumbuckler Jack Rock.
How long have you been singing?
It's a long story.
Talk to us. You need to be free. This is the audition. The stage is yours. So use it well. Maximize it, okay? So how long have you been singing?
My mother died before I was born.
Oh. Sorry about that.
Thanks.
Wait, your mother died before you were born?
Yes.
Did you say before you were born?
Yeah, like my father married my mother shortly before I was born. She died. Then, right from then, I started singing even before I was born.
Oh.
Oh, I don't understand. But
There's a song my mother used to teach me when I was 3. I want to sing it today.
But you said she died.
I don't understand. Your mother died before you were born. Now,
Okay.
there's a mother.
No, for real. She's even here. She can say hi to people. Mommy.
What?
Sir, are you aware you're sitting in an exit row? Are you willing and able to assist in the case of an emergency? Well then, sir, I'm gonna have to ask you to sit somewhere else. Excuse me? Well, sir, I'm gonna have to ask you to change your seat. Sir! But, sir, you know, see people like you make flight attendants want to take flight for your blows that. I want to, sir, come out of the chair, please, and thanks. Sir! You know what? You go on the no food list. You not get no cookie. You not get no Pringles. You not get no ginger ale. You go starve for the 8 hours with the panda plane here. Sir, come out of the chair. But sir! You know what? Ruby, come angle the passenger please before me thump him in the eye.
Sir, your new seat is now 14E.
You know, fishy. You know what I mean? So it's like, alright, they say why. So what I did was I came up with a character now where basically I did a video where somebody was ordering like coffee to a Jamaican employee, and then there was like, I want almond milk, right? Mm-hmm. So I was like, so basically the joke is how Jamaicans hear homo stuff in regular stuff. So basically I was like, yo, you guys have almond milk? And I'm like, wait, exactly. So I'm here like, yo, so basically, when I heard that, I called to a character saying, yeah, so I was like, yo, wait, you say you want almond milk? And so then I was like, yo, Mark, the man saying you want almond milk, you see me? And then the person in the back is like, yo, dirty boy, that man, you see me? So no. So that's the character I have. So I did a couple more videos where some, you know what I'm saying, I'd say something, you know what I'm saying, just like how like I did another one where the person was I guess they got into an accident and they went to the insurance company. So they was like, yo, you know what I'm saying, I just been in an accident, I want to file a claim. So he's like, okay, so you have the person's information, this and that. And he's like, yo, where was the damages? And he's like, yeah, I was rear-ended. You know what I'm saying? So it was like, wait, you said what? I'm saying, yo, you get rear-ended. And then of course I say, yo, man saying get a backers, alright, isn't it? So now, instead of...
Chill! There was a misinput! Calm down! You calm the fuck down! There was a misinput!
Oh my fucking god.